You've been staring at that phone for almost 10 minutes.
I'm trying to understand people.
Good luck with that. What happened this time?
This lady messaged me yesterday. She said, "I'm interested." I replied immediately. She asked for the price. I sent everything. Now, nothing. She hasn't replied since yesterday.
How many people have done that this week?
Maybe 20? 20? Some even asked for my account number. Then they disappeared. It's like they all vanish after asking for the price.
Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
When someone walks into a physical shop and says, "I'll come back," do they always come back?
No, most never do.
Exactly. WhatsApp is no different. People get distracted. Someone calls them, their child starts crying. They switch to Instagram, they forget. It doesn't always mean they're not interested.
So why don't they reply later?
Because someone else followed up before you did.
I never thought about that.
Do you follow up with everyone?
Honestly, only when I remember.
And that's the problem. You're expecting customers to remember you while you're forgetting them too.
That one touched me.
Successful businesses don't rely on memory. They rely on systems. A simple follow-up after a few hours, another the next day. Maybe a helpful tip, a testimonial, a reminder. That's what brings people back.
I thought follow-up would annoy people.
Not when it's helpful. People don't hate follow-up. They hate being pressured. There's a difference.
So, I need to learn how to do this properly.
Exactly. That's why platforms like Connector.com teach business owners practical digital marketing, customer psychology, follow-up strategies, WhatsApp marketing, AI, and sales systems. Once you understand the strategy, you can use Mamba.io.com to automate those conversations, send timely follow-ups, and keep customer engagement consistent without manually chasing everyone.
So, the customers didn't disappear. My follow-up did.
Now you're thinking like a business owner.
Most customers don't say no. They simply get distracted. Learn how to bring them back at Connector.com. Automate your customer follow-up with MambaiO.com.